What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to ZT Plays. Playing some more Slime Rancher. So, last video we got the quarry, went around, got some more farms. Well, at least one of our farms still going. Changed out our pinks for crystals, like rock crystals in here. Got our boom rad right here. Think we need to try to get the ow. We need to try to get them their the plort collector. Not the plort collector. Oh, I know they all have plort collectors. We did all that last time. Okay, well, it's one less thing. We did get rid of the rad. Oh, I'm meant to go to sleep. The rad Gordo. So we have a key now, and I think today I'm gonna unlock the jungle. I was debating on which one to do, whether the quarry or the jungle. I decided on the quarry because I wanted to try to get those pinks replaced, because I don't really need pinks yet. I'll probably get them back later so I can actually farm their plorts. But until then, I don't think I really need them. I can just come out here and collect the plorts. There's always a bunch. So I'm going to go over and unlock the jungle. And that way we can have both the jungle and the quarry unlocked. And have all of the new slimes. I know the honey slimes are the ones I definitely want to make sure I get next. I might mix them with the hunter slimes. Those could be pretty fun to mix. Alright, here we go. Through the jungle. Unlock you happy little slime. Here we are. A mouse blanket. Like a flower blooming from a rocky crack. Interesting wordage. The slide. Nope, that's not a very good slide. Puddle. I also want to try to get them maybe put in. Be fun to have them. The puddles. A new one to read. The moss blanket may seem like an ancient jungle of sorts, but the fact is that much of what you see here wasn't even around when I first began exploring this land. At this rate, I reckon that it won't be long before this greenery completely overtakes the far range. I don't know if that would be bad or good. Doesn't sound awful. Personally, do I have my jetpack? I never bought the jetpack. Maybe? Did I? No, I can't. No, don't eat that. Oh god, I have to. Okay, this is what I was gonna have to try to look for, because sometimes they are a little bit hard to find, because they just get eaten up immediately. Okay, I really hope I can make this jump. If I can't, it's gonna be a long walk back. Oh, I cleared it pretty. I was gonna say just barely, but I got a decent a bit. Back here is where you can find the hunter slimes, but I think they're rare. Have you ever been to Love Beatrix? Makes you feel all itchy inside, like a day after your soul's been to the gym. That's the best way I can describe it. Anyway, it also realigns your thinking to something you swear is downright alien. All those things that you thought really mattered suddenly don't. Changes you entirely. Can't recommend it enough. I got one person. It's fine. Okay. Hunter slime. Please be here. Oh. Come on. they're like invisible, so it's harder to see them if they are here. And I don't know if they're one of the kinds that just like disappear if you don't see them fast enough. That's all I needed. I just needed one. I do know that these guys, if you feed them like a, whoops. Oh, I am so sorry. I just killed that slime. Whenever you feed them the fruit, you have to, well, once they grow into a, largo, I think that's what they mix ones. You have to make sure you feed them directly after because they get very upset. Come here. Please don't eat everything. Oh, wait, come here, come here. Also, give me your things. I think with these ones, if I can find another honey slime, I'm gonna try to put 6 of these guys in one. The boom ones and the boom and rad ones, I don't know if I want to do 6, but I think I remember putting like these or the rock crystal, phosphorus, maybe. I think I might be able to put them in ones together. And that might not matter. I could try it and see what happens. Well, I got mostly what we came here to get. Now the only problem is I have to actually make the spot for them. And I need to make sure they have an air net before I feed them. Because whenever they're angry, they will jump out. So for now, I'm going to throw all of them in there. Have them just chill out for a second while I sell some plorts. I really hope that Hunter Slime doesn't run away. Don't run away, buddy. Stay in there. I also need to feed them. Give all the food to them. Now they got the upgrades for everything. There's a bunch of food out laying around. Oh yeah, they're all hungry too. High walls. Can I get the airnet? Airnet. There we go. There he is. Okay. See what I'm talking about? And then boost up plorts. I need to grab the hunter plorts before I feed them anything. Oh, mochi. I will have to do that and look at that in just a minute after I do some farming activities over here. I can't sell the honey ones though. Oh yeah, these crystal ones sell for a lot. Okay. Oh, I just realized I fed him that and I didn't mean to. Damn. I'll just have to go back and get more. It'll be fine. Okay, let me eat this. Eat this. Eat that. I need you to eat that. Eat that. Come on. There we go. You need this. Sometimes they don't want to eat it. I don't know which one is mad. Or if any of them are mad. Well, there's... crap. Eat that. Eat that. Eat that. Eat this. Come on. I need you to eat this. I'm about to die. There. Jesus. I need it. It's so hard to tell whether they're all in here, even. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 6 of them. Okay. After this, I need to go back and get more of that fruit, if I can. Eat, 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 eat. I don't have your thing yet. Just eat. Eat everything. What upgrades am I missing? I'm gonna get the music box for these 3. Don't worry about that last one for now, because I need to get a garden. Get nutrient soil. I'll have to wait for that last one. Okay. And then I might chill out for 5 minutes. I get it. Y'all are hungry and upset. We all just need to calm down. There we go. You don't have one. Oh god, 44? I guess I didn't collect theirs before I did that. Let's just go ahead and get more money. Why not? Might as well. Tomorrow the market is going to be probably pretty high. Because I don't need to save these ones. And let's get these ones. Have to sell these ones and then the tabby and phosphorus, but those don't really go for a whole lot. Neither do these rock ones, but I see these ones go for 102. It's a lot. I guess it's not a basic plort. About to say just for a basic one, but it takes a while to even get to them. You have to go through a lot of areas. I think. Oh, whoops. 2, 3, 4. I think to even get to them, you have to go through one more area after the jungle. I think even after. I need to try to figure out how I'm gonna get to the next one. Like which one I'm gonna. No. Gordo? I always forget which is which. Gordo, okay. the big ones, the Gordos. Oh no. I need to get them. How much is this? You know what? We have a new area. I always used to, whenever I used to play this, I always use this as a chicken farming area. Even though I never used chickens. I don't know why I ever farmed chickens. I don't know what I would put over there now. Honestly. I could put the puddle slimes over there, actually, now thinking about it. The, puddle slimes would... I could just get the pond over there and then... have some. I don't think they go for much, so... They're not worth, like, farming, but... It'd be nice to at least have them. I also need to start... grabbing whatever chickens I can. Now don't get eaten up right away. That way, every time I come past this way, I can just kind of throw them at this guy. Yeah, hi, I see you. I will say without the, I'm pretty, there might, I don't know if there is like a, I know there's the Tabby, teleporter, but the actual teleporters, I don't think I ever got to use them, but those would be pretty useful for traveling like all the way here. Because it takes a very long time. Excuse me. Don't hurt me. Hold on, give me. Aha, I got it. Anything else I actually want from over here? Because I gotta farm enough fruit or veggies to even unlock the next area. Come here, slime. Oh, I'll take your plorts too. I need to find another puddle slime. I don't want to just have one. That's boring. Looks like I'm just gonna have one, because there's only one. I'm not gonna take him right now. I'd rather wait till I can get multiple. How much did we do? 47. That's not the worst. I thought they went for less. Start growing that. No subject. Put a subject. Everybody else does. Mochi Miles. Well, it seems like another wannabe rancher has signed up for the lonely existence on the faraway space rock. Congratulations, Beatrix. I'm Mochi Miles. That's Miles, as in Tatsuya Miles, the billionaire. Okay, buddy, calm down. I'm here to do important business for my dad, but that doesn't mean I won't make all the rest of these backwater types out here look bad in the process. No one conquers the plort market like I do, day in, day out. My dad gives me inside tracks, so look forward to my requesting plorts that I know will make me huge profits later on. So I wish you the best of luck, Beatrix. Maybe you'll even reach second place. And that's the very least you can tell your friends, that you helped out the great Mochi Miles in her conquest for the far, far range. Later, Tater. Mochi Miles, top rancher. We'll see about that, buddy. Sleep. Sleep. Back to the ranch. Another day on the ranch. I haven't even looked at these. I think there was a one. Oh, there she is. We just talked about her. I have all those. Tabby, honey, boom. 1, 2. Honey, oh. Did you guys eat any? Boom. Go ahead and get that easy $500. Thanks. Go ahead and throw the Q berries in here. And then You guys eat meat. Just go ahead and eat those. I don't even know if your food is actually ready. Oh, it is. I honestly didn't think it was. I know the one thing I know I'm absolutely ready for is the after you help them enough in the range exchange, you get like I think there's like 3 different places you can go, and one of them is the saber, where you can get the saber slimes, and I remember there being pretty cool slimes to at least look at. Oh, I got another one. I was wondering where all these were. We got some like after we unlocked the quarry, and we haven't got any. We spent too long, I guess, in the quarry. Mint mango. I don't think you guys. A couple of you that haven't eaten. Do I not have a plur collector for you? Oh, I know what I'm buying. How much is the auto feeder? I can get 3 auto feeders. I'm gonna get one for you, and then what is it? I'm gonna probably make enough money to buy the last one anyway. I know at some point you get so much food that it's like this auto feeder. I'll put it on the slowest to see if that's a good speed for it or not. Dang it. Okay. So. Ow. Hold on. Jesus Christ. If I chill out for 5 seconds, stop exploding. Sell. So also the good part about having all the slimes at your disposal. Whenever you get a request from this, if it's that girl, you'll just have them all in hand, and you won't have to worry about going to find the plorts. You can be lazy and just get it at your own ranch. I guess that's not being like lazy. I don't know. Depends on definition. God damn, it's a lot of Q-berries. Slowest. I don't know if slow is the right one. If I see they're starving, I'll turn it up. I need to go buy the next upgrades for myself in here. Alright. There's a couple I'm thinking about. Water tank, the dash boots, and power core tank booster. I do think the tank booster... I think the tank booster is the first one I want to get. I don't want to spend all of it. Water tank can wait. There you go. I can just leave those. I'm not really worried about my health as much. The only reason I lose a bunch of health is because I'm either doing something stupid or mainly just that. Maybe I'm just doing something stupid. Oh yeah. I could go ahead and unlock the other area too. I don't see a point in unlocking this one yet. I don't really have a use for it, so I probably just leave it alone. I do want to go over here and make 3 gardens. Because if I make 3 gardens, I can get the I can start farming for the next Gordo, Gordo. It's Gordo. I just need 3 different types of fruit. That way I'm actually able to hold everything. Let's get... Go ahead and take all your Q berries out. You don't need them all sitting in there anyway. Let's go ahead and take all of your mangoes. They're quite unhappy I'm doing that. Let's put those in there. Jesus Christ. I think there might be a boom. Gordo. I don't actually remember if there is one or not. If there is one, I don't remember actually where it is. Oh my god, I got two emails in back to back. Hold on, I know. Everybody calm down. Oh, whoa. 50%. The good part is the water tank would kind of, because I'm pretty sure, hold on. You know what? I have money. I'm just going to upgrade myself all the way. Screw it. I was able to get the 3 farms like I wanted, so might as well just help myself by making myself harder to kill. Try to get all these heartbeats without dying. Damn. Okay, now I can take this Q-berry and this mint mango, throw them in over here, and I can go, while farming these, I can actually, after they're all grown and producing, I can take them and go and use them on the Gordos. Which reminds me, I know a Gordo I can do if I just sit here. You can get infinite chickens over in this area. You just have to be able to find all the chickens in the area first. And then once you vac up all of the chickens, trying to find them all. You gotta make sure you get all of them though. Once you get them all, I think I'm missing one. Basically, once you get them all, more will spawn immediately after, because they always have chickens over here. So every time you vac up chickens, they spawn more. The real question is, I just don't know where they spawn them. Because they always spawn them in this tall grass. The Gordo I want to get real quick, just with these chickens, since they're easy to find and stuff, is these right. That okay. I don't know if this is enough, but we'll see. Nope, that wasn't enough. Hi. Oh, and he's dead. I kill a lot of slimes on this game on accident. A beach ball. I thought that was going to be a tar there for a minute. Come on. A stony one? Oh. Any more chickens gonna spawn? Also, this door. Oh, That door is kind of a very useless door, if you ask me. I feel like it's pretty useless. Because it opens up to the place to where you can find the phosphor slime, which I guess is nice because you can get down there easier, but as long as you have a jetpack, usually you can easily get out just by not unlocking the door. So, I probably will never unlock it until like the end, whenever I might have like one left over. Come on, honey, more chickens. More chickens. I don't know where they went here. I'm missing chickens. They're somewhere over here. I know you're somewhere around here. Aha! I can hear them. I'm trying to like listen for him. He needs barely any more chickens. I'm gonna hope. I give him these and just hope that this is enough. It's pretty much all I can do. I thought I would get lucky. Chickadoo. Hello? Chickadoo. Jesus. Chickadoo. I don't know if getting rid of the chickens also resets the spawn. I don't think it does. Because some more would have spawned by now. I don't know. I'll have to get more chickens to come back. I will probably go read those emails, and then hopefully by the time I get back into the morning, that one's already grown. That one's not the one I'm worried about growing, though. Oh, there they are. The other two, especially the mint mango, because that's like the one I'm trying to. It's the honey's favorite, which is the one I'm trying to go after. I got 3. The death hike. Casey. IB. Do you remember when you took me hiking? I still don't know how serious you were about the whole outdoors thing then, and your idea of a hike just about killed me. I showed up in normal clothes and shoes, and you were decked out and had a pack and gear. It was a nightmare for me. I think it was around the 5-mile mark when I was drenched in sweat and ready to collapse. Then I realized our ideas of fun were 2 very different things. Also, you weren't even out of breath then. I still totally hate you for that. Smiley face. The 7Z Rewards Club. Miss LaBeau. The 7Z Corporation would like to extend a very special offer to you, an invitation for a very exclusive, exceptionally choice, highly sought after 7Z Rewards Club. The 7Z Rewards Club allows you to earn ultra premium ranks within an exclusive club for only a semi-ultra premium price. It's just that easy. Scroll down. Each rank grants you a new club title, along with a unique reward such as beautiful upgrades for your ranch, exclusive customization options, and more. We look forward to your enrollment. The 7Z Corporation offering you a path to greatness, one large sum of new bucks at a time. I remember these. These get like stupidly expensive. Like I think one gets to tens of thousands. Oh my god. Hello, Bob. Hello, 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 chickens. Hello, chickens. Chickens. Hello, Bob. Pieces. Chicken. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think he likes chickens. Not sure, but I think. We'll have to find out a different day. If this is Bob. It's Bob! I knew it. Oh my god. I might do that. I don't honestly know. I'll leave those there for now. I don't know how much. I have to go try to find a Bari in. Because I have none here. Maybe that's why I farmed chickens. Because I never had any for that thing. What are they offering? It's 500. I'm not sure if that's worth it though. Maybe, well, I'm heading out that way. I'll grab a Bari hen while I'm out that way. I'd also have to find a rooster. I fed the one that I found to the tabby Gordo. I'll probably be able to find. I don't think they're that hard to find. Oh yeah, this thing is working perfectly fine. There's extra ones in there. I don't think I have to worry about it. Do you guys act like you haven't eaten. I'm gonna throw all those. There we go. And then we can pick these back up. I'll go grab all the fruit I can from over here. All the fruit that has grown. Some of these. I can try to find fruit on the way there. I can try to get 30 of these. Which, again, shouldn't be too hard. They're very common. Jesus. Look, there's some right there. As long as these slimes don't come for them. No, no, no. Never mind. Give me 2 of these. There we go. I don't have meat for you. You always show up when I don't have meat for you. There's 0 meat around here. Because you guys eat it all. And it's gone. I could have been trying to get enough chickens for the tabby Gordo over here for the what is it called? Excuse me. Nope, that's mine. For the teleporter, because running all the way through here does get a bit tiring after a minute. Oh, I need that too. Damn, he ate it. Mirror. It's 15 chickens. That's a decent start on getting him to below. Do. Jump around. Spider-Man. Boom. Ah, trapped. If I can find a Bari in, that'd be really, really nice. Oh, I don't need to go that way. I need to go this way. The what I'm looking for is like up there. Here's regular. Bari! Mine. He only needed one of them, pretty sure. Oh, there's a rooster too. Please stay up here. Stay up here. Stay up here. Do not move. I'll be back for you. Go ahead and feed you the mint mangoes. Come on. Please be enough. Woo! I don't need all those. And a key. I don't need that. Is that rooster something? He is. No! Mine. I'm almost fairly certain he also needed, like, some hens. Okay, I got the key, which is what I was looking for. To the yard ball. I need to... I'm gonna go ahead and use the key and unlock the next area. I'm not gonna go in there and actually do all the stuff for it, but I want to unlock it just so it's unlocked. Then next time we'll probably do all the stuff for in here. Oh yeah, we're in. I also have to get all the plorts and bring them here. That's a next time problem. There's also another door through the quarry. Right? Nope. No. Thought I was in my empty one. Right there. There's a door that leads from the quarry. Which... I don't think I've ever used that door, actually. I think I unlocked it once, and I just never used it. Because I didn't see a... I didn't ever want to go through the quarry. Because you have to run through almost the entire thing to get to where it is. There is another teleporter for the quarry area. I don't know if that one leads... No, that one leads to the... I don't know whether that one's closer or not. I don't think I've ever tried to figure out which one. The quarry one might be closer. I just don't go through there enough to actually actually know which one's closer or not. Whee! Another rooster. I'm actually gonna take you. Let's see if I have the right amount of things. He did need a rooster. He did need a Bari. Now he needs 2 more of these. I'm just gonna throw this rooster over here and hope he stays over here. I don't know if he will or not, but we'll see. Four of these. There you go, Bob. Ooh. You're the one I want to do stuff for. Oh, the odd onion. I hate having to go find those. They get annoying to go look for. There you go. I just got these heartbeats. Have fun. Okay. I'm gonna go and try to do this. Because I need to become friends with him to get to the part with the saber slimes. Because he's the one that allows you to teleport to him. Or to where he is. I don't have meat for you. I have this. Where'd he go? Dang it. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Anyway. Right in here. Those odd onions are really annoying to actually farm. Whenever you plant them in the crop plot, it'll grow the odd onions, but it grows like 3 of them, and then the rest of it's carrots. So you have to grow it and hope that you get a good like some amount of odd onions out of it. Which the whole point of the name is that you don't really ever get it. So we'll see. I need 3 of them just from running. Maybe I can plant them and maybe it can grow in time if I can find any of them. Oh, I really hope you didn't just eat some. That would be upsetting. There's one. There might be. Oh, I'm stuck. There might be some up in here with the crystals. I think I found one. Last time I came in here to actually get the crystals, I think I found one. It was on accident, but like, I picked it up and I threw it away because I was like, I don't need that because I didn't need it at the time. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, don't care. That's not my problem. Sounds like a you problem. You slime problem. Keep hitting me, I'm gonna be your problem. I didn't see any. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find 2 more of them. Maybe... I don't see any vegetables up there. I'm just gonna have to hope I can get over here before too many things spawn. I think they only spawn with carrots. Because I don't think I've ever seen them not spawn with stuff like carrots. Why does the man need 3 of these things? He needs to come find them. No. Let's see. Not there. Move. Not there. I don't see any there. Give me an odd onion. Give me an odd onion. Nope. It sucks because they just get to the food faster than you can, so you just get there, and even if there was one there, by the time I got there, it'd be gone. I think I'm not gonna be able to complete that. I think I'm gonna go plant this in one of these plots over here, just to remove crops, odd onion. That way, I can actually get some whenever I need it. Whoops. Well, I got everything. Yeah, you can see a couple of them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them. So, I'll get at least maybe 7 of them. Not sure. If this is still here whenever I actually wake up. I think it will be 16 hours. I don't think I sleep for... We'll see. It's still there? It's still there. We got 5 hours, okay. So I still got time. Fuck. Please be grown. Yes. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3. There we go. It'd be impossible to actually farm these for if you had. I think one of the slimes, like the odd onions, is their favorite, which I will never understand how they expect you to farm it if they want you to farm the favorites of each one of them. I don't know. But we got an email from him. Hopefully, it's thing. Fuck. Jesus. You seem to be making a name for yourself. I like your style. So let me cut right to the chase. I'd like to offer you a job doing a little side work for me. I've got a chunk of land on the outskirts of my property that has access to a place called the Wilds, a land of primitive feral slimes and dangerous as all get out, but also home to a delicious rare fruit I love. If you're up to the challenge, come on down to a little tree of mine near the wilds and learn more. I found a derelict, derelict teleporter on your network that I've activated on your ranch. It'll take you right to it. Hope to see you there. I will be going real quick. Just to see, after I put their food in, I'm going to go check it out. At least go there. For your job working on his retreat into the teleporter near the overgrowth to learn more. Will do. Oh, I realize I never turned these down. I turned the other 2 down, but I never turned these down. I'll get to it. Hold on. I gotta take care of my farm. Need to make sure my people have their food ready. If they don't, they might get upset. Okay. I'm tired of seeing the star. I'm just gonna go for it. Check it out. Our retreat. Just talk to him. Hey Beatrix, thanks for coming down to my retreat and hearing out my offer, so let's get right to business. I built the place a year ago as a little vacation spot for myself. Later on realized that it neighbors a cluster of lands filled with primitive saber slimes. I called these out in the wilds, and after exploring them I revealed their true secret, a rare kookaduba fruit. What's a kookaduba? While it's the only most delectable and irresistible fruit known to the universe, well, most people say it tastes like rotten cheese, but they're wrong. Anyway, I soon become obsessed with kookaburras, or whatever, but I found myself quickly becoming too old and too slow to deal with the risk. You see, the wilds are home to hordes of feral slimes, descendants of ancient saber slimes that once hunted these lands. Known collecting the fruit is dangerous, and that's where you come in. I'll happily reward you for collecting these sweet fruits for me. Just deposit them here in the custom range exchange here, and we're in business. Collect enough of them for me, and I'll start giving you my secret miracle mix for your gardens. Also reward you with a block of my special spicy tofu. I've activated the teleport to the wilds. Okay, I get it. It's ready to go. I think I'm going to go ahead and actually end it there. Maybe next time we are going to be doing this right away. I'm going to take care of the slimes off camera, so that way I can just get right into this immediately. But for now, I'll see you guys next time with the Saber Slimes. See ya.